Hello friends, welcome to today's video. As the name implies, we're going to be opening IPSy today, but we're going to be doing it a little bit differently. If you are a regular viewer of my channel, you will have noticed that I didn't really post any videos in November or December. I kind of have a video wrapping up 2020 that I'll link down below that talks a little bit more about that. I plan going forward that my videos are going to be a little bit more focused on wellness overall, a little bit less of a focus on makeup, and that is the plan. So currently I'm filming videos where I'm testing out a strength program for a month, I'm trying doing journaling for a month, I'm trying a skincare product on half my face for 6 weeks or longer. I have all of these videos planned. However, I am currently in the testing stages of those long-term tests. So I didn't really have anything to put out this week, except that I had received my IPSy bag in November and just wasn't in a headspace to want to do the video of opening it. And then I thought, well, how about I wait for my December one and I'll do an opening of both of them and almost do it like head to head. So we'll do a bit of a competition of November versus December. And this is not going to be, what's the word? Not scientific. It's probably not going to be fair because my plan is that I will pull one item from November, one item from December. We will see which one I prefer, which one I'm more excited about, and then that will be the winner for that round. Because there are 5 items in each bag, there will be 5 rounds, and then whichever one is the winner at the end is the winner overall. I just said the same thing twice. Whichever one has more points at the end is the winner overall. That is the plan for this video. We'll see some fun products. We'll see what I get excited about. I guess I'm hoping that it's more masks, and by that I mean like skincare masks, not preventing virus masks. And maybe some, I don't know, like body creams or things. This is literally the first time I've worn makeup since the last filming that I did. So I'm just not using a lot of makeup right now. But let's get into the competition. As a bonus round, let's see which bag I prefer. So November's is a faux leather with some sort of faux leather colors that you would have here. It does have that sort of plasticky smell they sometimes have. These aren't colors that I super get jazzed about, although it matches my hair very well. But they tried to make this look a little bit more natural, and as I said, faux leather. Oh, that is fuzzy. So this is like that texture. It's actually not as soft as you may think it would be. This is sort of the texture of what you would picture like loungewear and pajamas to be. So I do appreciate them trying something different. I would say that neither of these are something I would like. Well, I guess if I needed to use one of these, and the only thing I tend to use these for after I get them is as a clutch. If I go out somewhere, I'd be much more likely to use this. I can actually see this being kind of a cute clutch with like, you know, a nice dress. I can see using this one. I would probably take off the little light pink tag there, but it doesn't have a saying or like IPSy emblazoned all over it, so this is probably the winner. Or I'm the one who gets to decide. This one is the winner in terms of bags, but we're not actually counting that for points, so let's get into the first item. And really, this is gonna be very random. I'm not putting like against like, I'm just doing like first thing I grab out of the bag. So the first thing I touch here is some sort of squeezy tube. Okay, it is a mascara. This is the IPSy Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara. And what I will do after each of these introductions of the product is insert me reading more about the product, which I'll do at the end of this video in my time, but insert it here in your time. IPSy Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara in Carbon Black. Get all the drama of falsies, but none of the hassle with this lengthening and volumizing mascara. A few swipes coat lashes in carbon black pigments for crazy definition that lasts for hours without smudging or smearing. The full-size version of this product is $26. Mascaras are pretty good. I like getting the little samples because you're only supposed to use a mascara for, 3 months, and I don't go through them that quickly, so a big tube I usually end up getting rid of before it's done, but a little travel size is kind of nice. Oh, I got a big squeezy tube out of this one. So here we have an Enzymatic exfoliating cleanser from the company Feel, which I've not heard of before. Feel Beauty Enzymatic Exfoliating Cleanser. We didn't think you could bottle perfection until we met this super nourishing and gorgeous exfoliator. Enzymes bromelain and papain derived from pineapple and papaya gently exfoliate, while pumpkin seed oil replenishes and allantoin conditions and hydrates. So dreamy. The full-size version of this product is $28. Out of these two products, I'm going to choose the mascara as the winner, so 1 point for November. The reason for that is skincare products that would take a while to show any benefit to them, like cleansers or serums or moisturizers, aren't my favorite to get because this is probably just going to last 2 or 3 uses. I also try to be a little careful about how much I'm exfoliating my face to make sure I'm not over exfoliating. So I wouldn't typically choose an exfoliating cleanser because I tend to use a gentle cleanser and then a different kind of chemical exfoliant. I'm still curious about what this is going to be like, but in terms of one versus the other, November is the winner. Is it funny that I kind of feel bad picking favorites? The next item from the November bag, ooh, this is weird. What is this? It's in some kind of outer packaging. Okay, this is a very tiny tube. This is Lid Glaze Hydrating Jelly Eyeshadow. Item Beauty Lid Glaze in Desert Weekend. This is an IPSy exclusive. Yep, we scored TikTok superstar Addison Rae's Item Beauty products just for you. This bouncy jelly-like eye glaze is infused with hydrating sodium hyaluronate and gives your lids that wet shine finish you've seen all over your Insta feed. Plus, it's safe for sensitive skin. The full-size version of this product is $14. I'm gonna have to do a swatch of this to see what it looks like. The idea of lid glaze is interesting. It could be a nice sort of one and done eye look. Reaching into the December bag, I have another squeezy tube. And here we have something from Goldfaden MD. It is a facial detox clarifying mask. Goldfaden MD Facial Detox Clarify and Clear Mask. Looking to boost your glow? Clearing your pores of dead skin cells, dirt, and debris is key. This purifying mask detoxifies your pores way down deep. It's infused with a soothing blend of zinc oxide, sulfur, and camphor to cleanse and minimize the appearance of pores without over-drying your skin. The full-size version of this product is $65. While I don't like the use of the word detox overall in terms of foods or skincare, I am going to choose the mask. I do like getting these because with a mask you can typically tell if you like it in a couple of uses, so these samples are quite nice. I'm not upset about this at all. I think it's quite pretty, but I just think in terms of things I would choose, I would get more use, and I will get more use out of the mask. We are currently tied. The next November item, ooh, I have no idea what this is. What do we got? Okay, I don't even know what the next, well, actually, I saw Tatcha and I saw this was a cleanser, and I was going to say if this is the oil cleanser, nothing could beat this. It is probably one of my favorite products ever. It's just so darn expensive, I don't buy it, and I've been on a crusade to find a cheaper version of it. However, this is the Tatcha The Deep Cleanse. Dealing with oily skin, large pores, or uneven skin texture? This daily cleanser is here to get your skin back on track. The oil-free gel formula lathers into a creamy foam to eliminate dirt, oil, and buildup without over-drying your skin. The full-size version of this product is $38 USD. And on December's side, I feel like we might have a makeup product. Okay, we have another mascara. This is from Complex Culture. Complex Culture Executive Level Mascara in Black. This is an IPSy exclusive. Want lashes that stay lifted and gorgeous all day? Because who has time for touch-ups? You're looking at your new go-to mascara. A few swipes with this innovative curled wand coats every last lash so yours are lengthened, separated, and defined for the long haul. The full-size version of this product is $20. I have to say I do like their packaging. I love that color of gray and how slick it is. This is actually really hard. I feel like I should go back to my first round, which was also a cleanser versus a mascara. My issue is that I love Tatcha products so much. Oh, this is gonna be hard because if it was any other cleanser, no, you know what? No. So much indecision. I have to go with gut feeling. I'm so excited about Tatcha products that even though this is a cleanser and it's not going to last very long, I'm not going to see what it really does. I just got so excited seeing it was a Tatcha product. I have to go with this one, but these are super close. So my system is a little biased. It's my system. So November is ahead 2-1. The next November product, this feels like it might be makeup. What do we got? It's from Context and it's a matte lipstick. The Context Skin Matte Lipstick in Sweet Emotion. Context products are packed with ingredients that get your skin beautiful from the inside out, and your lips are no exception. This deep mauve lipstick is made with vitamin C, E, sunflower seed oil, and sodium hyaluronate to help hydrate, protect, smooth, and nourish. The full-size version of this product is $20 USD. This appears to be a really pretty color. Let's do a swatch. Okay, that is a really pretty matte. It's sort of a burgundy color, but it has some brown undertones too. I think that could be super nice. I'm excited about that. So from December, this feels like it could be another makeup product. Okay, this looks like a Benefit Brow Products Precisely My Brow Pencil. Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Eyebrow Pencil in 3. Getting your best brows has never been easier. Use this multitasking pencil to create long horizontal strokes to shape your brows and short upward strokes to fill them in. Thanks to a custom control grip and ultra-fine tip, you'll get precise hair-like lines every single time. The full-size version of this product is $24. It's really nice how much of a micro tip this is on here. It's so incredibly tiny. Oh, you could really do individual brow hairs with that, which is really nice. I will still get use out of the Benefit product, but I'm more excited about this shade of matte lipstick. I have to go with the lipstick. So at this point, it is November 3-1, so December can't win, but let's just see what the last product is anyway. Well, of course we will. Ooh, okay, this feels like a powder makeup product, I want to say, and it's called Overtime Blush. Complex Culture Overtime Blush in Pink Slip. When you're short on time, a touch of blush can go a long way to warm up your complexion and make you feel 100. This no-fuss, rosy-toned powder blush blends on like a dream and builds up easy to have you feeling confident and gorgeous in seconds. The full-size version of this product is $35 USD. Okay, it's very silky feeling, and it's a very light pink blush. For our last December product, we have a squeezy tube, and we have First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. Looking for your new everyday moisturizer? Try this baby right here. You get all the same benefits of the brand's OG cream, soothing colloidal oatmeal, hydrating shea butter, and tons of antioxidants, in a lightweight version that feels like silk on your skin. The full-size version of this product is $26. I don't know if I've tried this before or not. Okay, this is a hard one because, to say, not super excited about either product. I have a lot of blushes. This isn't really, I'm gonna have to see how it looks and how it wears because I'm not wearing a lot of makeup right now. It's a pretty standard kind of blush color. It's nothing game-changing. But as I said before, products that are skincare products that, I'm only gonna be able to use this maybe twice. Not my favorite kinds of samples because I don't really get to see how the product performs. So because of that, I'm gonna choose the blush. So November wins out 4-1, but really there's nothing, there's a couple things in here that I'm not super excited about, but overall I do think I'm going to use all of the products in both. Nothing is gonna go to waste. I get to play around with them. I get to have fun. It's always fun opening these. I do plan to continue doing so. If you receive IPSy and you receive different things in your November and December bag, please let me know. Or if you have used any of these products and super love them, also let me know. I would be so excited to hear about that. Leave all that in the comments down below. Thank you for joining me for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up if you did, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!